Hello and greetings from Uma Eye Clinic. My name is Dr. Aditreya Varman and today I am going to take you through laser vision correction, or more popularly known as LASIK or SMILE. So most of you would be aware of LASIK and how it can help you achieve spectacle freedom for the correction of your refractive errors, whether it is a plus error or a minus error. The light rays, when they enter the eye, they are unable to be brought to a point focus on the retina, which gives rise to a blurred image. So to correct this, the person has to wear spectacles to correctly focus the light rays on the retina so that they can see more clearly. So what we do in a laser vision correction procedure, whether it be LASIK or SMILE, we alter the surface of the cornea such that when the light rays fall on the cornea, they are now brought to a clear point of focus on the retina. So we use lasers to help us in this procedure, so we can subtract or alter the shape of the corneal tissue such that the shape of the cornea is now helping us to focus the light rays on the retina clearly. So I'm going to explain to you a little bit about LASIK now. In LASIK, we use the help of the excimer laser to achieve this desired result. We begin the procedure by making a 24 or 28 millimeter cut on the surface of the cornea. We make a flap of corneal tissue. This flap will now be raised up to expose the corneal stroma or the corneal bed, and then we proceed to use the excimer laser to ablate or vaporize the corneal tissue to an adequate amount. After this is done, the flap will be repositioned and the procedure will now be over. This procedure is quite painless. It only takes about a few minutes, and immediately after the procedure, the patient will now no longer have to wear glasses whatsoever to see clearly. So this is the basic steps in any laser vision correction procedure, in that the corneal shape or corneal contour has to be altered to a desired result. So what is the difference between LASIK and SMILE? So in SMILE, we use a more advanced laser known as the femtosecond laser, which can be delivered through fiber optics. This laser is more advanced in that it can penetrate through corneal tissue without the need of making a cut and exposing the corneal bed using a flap. So this femtosecond laser is able to penetrate through the tissue and delineate a disc of corneal tissue inside the cornea, which can then be retrieved outside manually only through a small 2 millimeter vertical incision. So this has many advantages. One, as I mentioned earlier, there is no need to make a large cut on the corneal surface. It's only a small 2 millimeter cut on the cornea which needs to be made to retrieve the tissue outside. The biomechanical strength of the cornea will be preserved in SMILE. The patient will have lesser incidence of irritation and dryness after the procedure, and also because of the physical optics and advantages that the femtosecond laser provides us, the ablation of the tissue is more even, which gives rise to better accuracy and better correction of a patient's refractive errors. Because of these advantages, SMILE is now the gold standard to which other refractive procedures has to be compared with. The patient can expect the procedure to be over in about 10 minutes, and they can return to regular lifestyle activities within 6 to 8 hours, and if done correctly, will never have to wear glasses for the rest of their life. So let me move on to a few commonly asked questions about laser vision correction. One of the most frequently asked questions is, what is the suitable age to undergo these procedures? So we usually wait at least until the age of 18 until the patient has a stable refractive error for at least 1 year. If both of these criteria are met, the patient can go ahead with the procedure. Second most commonly asked question would be, is the procedure painful, or does it take too long for the procedure to be done? No, the procedure is not painful at all. It only takes about 10 minutes. Before we perform this procedure on any patient, the eye will be adequately anesthetized with just drops, and within 10 minutes or so, the procedure would be over and the patient will never have to wear glasses ever again. The third most commonly asked question would be, am I fit for the procedure? So before the procedure is performed, or before any laser vision correction procedure is performed, there are a set of tests and scans which will be performed on the patient before we deem the patient as fit for the procedure. So this question can only be answered once the patient comes in for an appointment and goes through these set of tests to determine their fitness for the procedure, and only after which we will go ahead with any kind of laser vision correction. In case patients are deemed to be unfit for this procedure, we have other options for the same as well, which may be discussed in the following videos. So I hope I have adequately explained about laser vision correction, LASIK and SMILE to you. If you have any doubts or queries, please feel free to drop them in the comment box below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you.